Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix a Spectrum router blinking blue. Is your Spectrum router still blinking blue? This means it's trying to connect but isn't fully online. In this video, we will explain what it means, why it happens and how to fix it step by step. A blinking blue light on your Spectrum router means it's trying to establish a connection. This can happen due to internet service issues, loose faulty cables, a power outage, or modern restart, a firmware update in progress. Before troubleshooting, check if Spectrum is experiencing an outage in your area. You can do this on the Spectrum website or in the My Spectrum app. Unplug your modem router from the power. Wait at least 30 seconds, plug in the modem first and wait for it to fully boot up. Now turn on the router and wait for the lights to stabilize. The simple step can fix most connection issues. Ensure all cables are securely connected. A loose or damaged coaxial or Ethernet cable can prevent your router from connecting properly. If your router is still blinking blue, try resetting it. Hold down to reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds, then wait for it to reboot. This is to Spectrum settings, so you may need to reconnect your device. That's it. Your Spectrum router should now be working if the blinking blue light continues. Contact Spectrum support for further help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.